You know that feeling when you try out a new AI tool, and it actually does what it promises. Not just some blurry, animated mess. Not another, soon-to-be-great tool. But something that actually works. I was testing out a new platform. Nothing fancy at first. Just typed in a prompt, uploaded a single image. No expectations. I figured it'd spit out something okay. But what I got back left me cold. It was a full video. Not just animated frames. Actual camera movement. Realistic lighting. Depth. Reflections. Even the audio synced. And the image I uploaded was talking with emotion and with lip sync. So I spent the next 24 hours digging into what this tool could really do. Turns out, it's way more than just text to video. I'm talking about sound design, lip syncing, fashion try-ons, image to video, and multi-scene generation, all inside one platform. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how this AI works, what's possible, and the secret to getting insane results. Have you ever typed a prompt into an AI video generator and actually gasped at the results? That was me. When I first tried Kling AI, I typed a short sentence, uploaded a single image, and what came back? A fully cinematic video with sound, depth, lighting, camera motion, even lip sync, on a still photo. And I ask myself, how come only few people are talking about this? So today, I'm showing you exactly what Kling AI can do. Not a demo. Not a hype reel. This is a full breakdown. How its text-to-video goes beyond expectations. How a single image becomes a dynamic scene. How multi-element generation gives you full director-level control. How to sync voices to any face in seconds. And how fashion designers can simulate model try-ons with 0 cameras. At the end, I'll also show you how to use the platform. Completely free with 166 credits. Kling AI is not just another video tool. It's a full-stack AI content engine. It was created by Kuaishou, the company behind one of the largest short video apps in China. But this isn't built for short memes. It's built for full-scale storytelling. With Kling, you get text to video, image to video, multi-element cinematic scenes, text and video to audio, lip sync from images, AI-powered virtual fashion try-ons, all on one platform. You don't need to be a video editor or animator. If you can describe your vision with words, you can direct with Kling. Let's break down Kling's video generation tools. There are 3 core pillars. 1. Text to video. Just describe the scene you want. Kling turns it into a cinematic clip. Example prompt. The model starts standing upright, looking forward, both arms relaxed at her sides. She gently steps diagonally forward to her right, then softly turns in a half-circle clockwise around her standing spot. Movements are smooth and graceful. While turning, her right hand naturally lifts to adjust her hair or garment, while the left arm remains relaxed. She stops facing forward again, steps slightly back to balance her stance, and ends in a confident pose, right hand on her hip or softly holding the edge of the outfit. The movement is elegant and lifelike, emphasizing the garment's texture, drape, and silhouette. Camera tracks the model semi-closely from knee level, full body shot from head to feet. Vertical 9:16 frame. Natural lighting, ultra-sharp detail in 4K quality. Realistic motion pace across 5 seconds to feel lifelike. Kling generates exactly what I needed with atmospheric lighting, perfect camera transitions, and not that clunky AI feel. It flows like it was filmed. 2. Image to video. Already have a character or artwork. Just upload it, then describe what you want it to do. Example. Upload a character portrait. Prompt. A beautiful young woman poses confidently. She first turns her body to the left, then gracefully turns to the right to show off her outfit. After the turn, she walks straight forward with elegance, keeping eye contact with the camera in a captivating way. Her hands move naturally, arms swing from side to side in sync with her walk. The camera smoothly rotates around her, capturing various angles, front, side, and 3/4 view, while maintaining focus on her neutral but full outfit and manner. Camera slow rotating around the model, with zoom out, full body tracking. Vertical 9:16 frame quality. 4K quality. Her posture is graceful, and her arms move naturally with her walk. The vibe should feel elegant and stylish, like a fashion show runway moment. Kling animates the motion. Eyes blink, subtle camera zoom, shadows adapt to movement. 3. Multi-element generation. This is next level. You can stack multiple elements, like characters, backgrounds, transitions, voiceover, music. Want a sci-fi scene where a robot walks into a spaceship bay while a voice narrates in the background? You don't need Blender. You just type the story and let Kling render the movie. A video without sound feels empty. Kling solves that with 2 incredible tools. 1. Text to audio. Write a script. Kling turns it into voiceover. You can choose voices by gender, tone, and accent. You can even adjust pitch, speed, and emotion. It's like 11 Labs, but fully integrated into your video workflow. Perfect for storytelling, tutorials, commentary, or dubbed content. 2. Video to audio. Already have a video, but no sound? Let Kling auto-generate ambient sound, Foley effects, footsteps, wind, background noise, music beds to match the tone. You can even fine-tune intensity levels or switch styles for mood. This makes silent clips feel cinematic, without needing an audio engineer. Here's something for the fashion world. AI-powered virtual try-on. Instead of costly photo shoots, you can upload clothing sketches or product images. Choose a virtual model from Kling's library. Let Kling simulate motion, fit, and behavior in real-world settings. You'll see fabric movement, model gestures, environmental lighting. It's like a fashion show rendered from code. This is ideal for fashion brands, designers testing new styles, clothing ads for e-commerce, and influencer collabs. No model, no studio, just creation. This one feels like science fiction. Upload a single face image. Then either type your script, Kling voices it. Upload your voice recording. Kling then animates the image to speak it, with synced mouth movement, expressions, and even blinking. Create talking avatars. Voiceover AI-generated characters. Make digital actors speak foreign languages. Build faceless YouTube channels with personality. Ready to test all this without pulling out your wallet? Kling gives you 166 free credits on sign-up. No credit card needed. Each task uses a few credits. Video, 10 to 20 credits. Lip sync, 5 to 10 credits. Sound, 2 to 5 credits. Try on, low usage. You can try multiple features before upgrading. To get started, use the link in the description. Create a free account. Explore the dashboard. And just start typing your stories into life. Here's the truth. You don't need a fancy setup. You don't need editing software. You just need imagination. With Kling AI, you can tell stories, create characters, animate scenes, design fashion, and voice your ideas. All in one place. If this video helped, hit that like button. Drop a comment. Let me know which Kling feature you're most excited about. And don't forget to grab those free 166 credits using the link in the description. See you in my next video.